Hey everyone, today we're going to show you how to replace the blower motor on a 2011 Toyota Sienna, and this actually should cover a couple of years for the Toyota Sienna models. We're going to go ahead and get started on this. What we're going to do is if we turn on our AC here on the front, you can hear that rumbling noise start up. If we do it higher, it's going to continue. You can hear it it's making that terrible noise. Sometimes it will even shut off. It's still blowing cold air, but again, it's making that noise. Sometimes what happens is the blower motor gets out of balance, and the blower motor is just down underneath here, under the dash, so don't really need to remove a whole lot, but we'll go ahead and show you how to get started on this. So we're just going to remove the negative terminal from our battery here, just in case. All right, so now that it's out of the way, we'll go ahead and get started on replacing the blower motor. So we just ordered this new blower motor off of Amazon, came pretty quick, and then we're gonna get ready to just remove the old one and throw this one in. So the next thing we're gonna do is disconnect the wiring right here. This clips in, so we're just gonna disconnect that. So there's just the 3 screws, one right here, another on the opposite side, and then this guy right there. So we'll go ahead. So we just went ahead and got a bit for a turn screw. Makes things a lot easier. And then we're gonna go ahead and get this last one right here. Here you can see this is the old one. So this is the new one that we just got. We checked to make sure that everything matches up okay. And now we're just gonna go ahead and throw it back in. All right, so we're gonna just pop this back up into where it was. Make sure we have all the spots realigned. And it should just fit right back into place. Then we're gonna get these screws. Gonna put this one in by hand. Get that in there, not too tight. And then we'll go ahead and put the last screw in. Make sure these are all nice and snug, but not too tight. So again, you just need those 3. We're going to reattach the wiring. You can hear it snap into place. And now we can just go ahead and reattach our battery, and we should be good. All right, so we got it reinstalled, and we reattached the negative terminal on our car. So we're gonna go ahead and turn the AC on and see how it sounds. So you can see it's quiet now. You can't hear that same rumbling noise. All right, so now we're good to go. We got our nice cold air flowing once again, and it's very quiet, which is this cool air is a necessity down here in Arizona. Hopefully this answers all your questions. Please let us know if you have any comments or concerns in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe to Big Al Repairs. Thanks and have a great day.